Today I thought it might be good for those of us that are in business and we are using this medium of video. And one of the things that happens to me, and I bet it might happen to you as well, is that you want everything to be perfect, that you need to have a script and that you have, your hair has to be just right and the lighting has to be just right. And if it's not, you just can't do it. And uh, either you won't actually turn on and record, which happens to me, or you'll record and then you'll re-record and re-record, and then you don't ever get anything done because it just never looks quite right. So if that happens to you, this might be a good video for you to play around with. And so with EFT and tapping, one of the things that we do is check in and find out what's the emotions. That's what I want to do, is see what's going on. I'm wanting to do more videos, but I'm a little scared, and I can feel that I'm scared because my heart is starting to pound. As I'm really starting to dive into this video now, all of a sudden I'm getting really nervous, and that's how I can feel it. Then I want to do a rating, and it's just so I can see whether or not my tapping target is really accurate. Once I have that target, and I check a little bit later, we'll know if I need to get more specific or if I'm on target. That scared feeling, scale of 0 to 10, 0, it's not there, 10, it's off the charts. Right now, I'm probably at a, I don't know, 3 or 4 of being nervous, a little scared. And now we'll go ahead and just jump into the tapping and see what happens. So this is a setup statement on the side of the hand. And I'm just going to say, even though I can sense I'm a little scared to do this video, and I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. I'm scared. There's a part of me that's scared to be in front of this camera and record this video. And how I know I'm scared is I feel my heart's pounding. I'm not super scared because it's not pounding out of my chest, but I can feel it pounding. I don't usually feel my heart pounding. Not when I'm just sitting here talking to a friend, but I'm on camera now. And this might go out to other people. It's going to go out into the World Wide Web, go out on YouTube. And what will people think of me? Is my hair perfect? Is the lighting just right? Is the background perfect? Oh no, I see something on the table back there. Maybe I better stop. Maybe I should re-record. Oh no, I see a piece of my hair that's not just right. Then my lipstick is already starting to fade. All the things aren't quite right. And the more I think about it, the more my heart starts to pound. I'm getting really scared just at the thought of this video and all the judgments that might come my way. That scares me. Whew, I'm scared. And now the pounding has gone to my throat. It's shifted from my heart to my throat. My heart's still beating, but it's not pounding. But that scared feeling has moved to a constriction in my throat. It's kind of on the left side. Maybe there's a part of me afraid to put my voice out there. Maybe there's a part of me that's mad at myself for not adjusting the camera angle so you could see where I'm tapping under my arms. And I'm still not going to do it. I'm going to be resistant, and I'm just going to do it my way. And this video won't be perfect, which means then I better not put it out, because if it's not perfect, I can't put it out. Part of me believes that. And part of me also knows I'm not perfect, and neither is anyone else I know. What if I'm okay to put out an imperfect video? What if done is better than perfect? What if being honest about where I am would really help somebody? That's really what I'm after anyway, is to be honest and help people through whatever dark spot they're having, whatever challenge they might be having. And when I think about that, my body starts to relax because that's my truth. I'll be okay. And this video just might help someone. I hope it helps you. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.